Alright, these are the steps to follow in case you want to send music to your mobile phone through your computer, but it's showing something like this, as you can see in my screen right now, through iTunes. Follow this simple step to solve the problem. First of all, you connect your iPhone to your computer. You can see it before you can get this option that I have in my screen. So I try to send it right now, but it's not going. You can see what is showing in my screen. So what you will do is very simple here. So you can see the icon here on top of the screen here, the phone icon. You can see it right there. So you click the phone icon. This is what would display in your screen exactly right here. So you come down, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you find options here that say manually manage music and videos. You can see it right here in my screen. Yeah, sorry for the bloom. So you click it, then you find place down there that say apply. So you apply it, then done. So once you are done with that, let's try what we just did now. So go to your file and try and bring one music here. So let's try and drag one music. You can see it's not showing anything like that anymore. Let's drop. You can see the music in my screen. Firstly, I get it. So this is the process to solve the simple problem that we have right there. If you find this video very important, help me to like it, and if this is the first time that you come to the channel, help me to subscribe to made in the next video. Peace.